Let's see how now let's see start with crude oil. Okay, what's happening in what's happened in crude oil yesterday. I'm going to enlarge this. Yesterday we had a very positive opening like expected. Whenever we get a opening like this, right after the opening the market would shoot up or within some time it should show some sort of price action. But what happened yesterday, the price consolidated till 6 o'clock, and after that it broke this key zone and fell down. There was some 100-point selling happened. Price closed near 2980. Today it's expected to open somewhere near 2960, the same zone, maybe near the yesterday's low. So we have only few options. What are the options we have? So let's go back. I'm going to decrease the scale. Okay, so the focus is I know that it looks a bit blurred, but I hope you will get my point. This zone, okay, and also this particular zone acted as a support and pushed the price up. So the price consolidated here for a long time, could not do, and it came down. But if you take this zone, so much of consolidation happened in this particular area. So we have marked this 2980 as a support. Today what you can do, till 3020 you should go for selling by placing stop at 3030, since this entire consolidation area pushed the price higher, acted as a support. Now it should act as a resistance. That's our objective for today. Okay, since the price is expected to open somewhere here around 2960, when the price is going to push up, it should find some resistance, so that you will find some selling, expecting 2900, 2850. So in crude you can expect some selling to happen. Now I think the objective is very clear, and now let's come back to this area. So sell till 3020 by placing stop at 3030, expecting the price to come down. Now let's move on to natural gas. What's happening in natural gas? So natural gas, yesterday the price opened near 138 and we expected the market to stay on buying. So it went till 142, dropped, created a new low and closed below 136. So that's the key point. And today it's expected to open somewhere near 134, below the yesterday's low. Based on MX price direction, we are predicting the price opening. So it says that sell till 136 by placing stop at 137, expecting the price to come down. So you should see where the price is opening, somewhere wait for the price to hit near 135, 136, then go for selling. If we get a price closing above 136 for today, there is no other way. We need to reverse our decision, and from Monday we need to go for buying. So 136 will be a key zone. So we need to wait and see what's going to happen. Okay, that's all we have for natural gas. Let's move on to the next commodity, copper. Okay, it's a natural gas, there is no confusion. So copper, what happened in copper? Yesterday the price opened with a gap like expected, and right after the opening it went up, consolidated and created a new high near 488. After that created a new low. Compared to the opening, it created a low for the day around 481.5 and closed near 484. Opening and closing both are equal, and after a gap opening it created a high. So today normally with this pattern of price action, you can expect the market to drop to some extent to give some correction. So the correction expected are around 480. So wait for the price to come near 481 at this zone, go for buying by placing stop at 479. You will get some few points up, book it. So today you can expect a bit of drop with buying. That is our expectation. But if the price right after the opening, if it is moving up, then leave. So if you have potential funds to average till 479, then you can go for buying from 487. Also depends upon the available fund you have in your trading account. So that's all we have for copper. Now let us move on to nickel. What's happening in nickel? What happened yesterday? The price opened near 1016. Right after the opening, it went up near 1020. We expected that 1020 as the target. So after the opening, after reaching near the target, a sharp drop, bounce back, a bit of consolidation, but finally in the evening session after 6 o'clock, huge drop pushed the price down, and nickel closed near 996. And today it is expected to open somewhere near 996 based on COMEX price direction. So today's price opening, you should be very careful where the market is going to open. If it is going to open near 996, then go for buying, placing stop at 994. You can expect some few points up. If it is opening near 994, go for buying, place stop at 992, or wait for the price to drop near 992, go for buying. 990 should be the stop. You can go for buying. If you are going to miss all these areas, if the price is going to test 1002, like see yesterday the market tested 1002 and then it fell down, so you can consider that as a selling zone, and you can go for selling when the price reaches the top. And today in simple, you can say wherever you get the supports and resistance, whatever we have marked, buy and sell accordingly, or hit all those areas, you will get some profit. So probably you can expect some consolidation. That is the next part what we are trying to say. So that's all we have for commodities. Almost we have discussed everything. If you